got a small break, all right, because like market was not having much good moves right for now. So welcome guys, again welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Boo 30. Okay, so this is a weekend session. If you don't trade, well and good. If you trade, just manage your risks accordingly, all right, so that you won't get bashed off, right guys? Okay, just be safe guys, all right. So let's see. Okay, so I try to just open a small position size trade from here on this level, all right, towards the downside. Okay, because like after the breakout also it's not having much move on the upper side. It was not able to push up much, right? Because of that I couldn't go for the long, all right, from this level, right? Though there was a breakout, so it couldn't move much, right, on upper side. So I after the breakout, like the price usually moves so fast, right guys? After the breakout the price moves so fast, but we saw that the price was not moving at all, right? So over here after breakout it should be boom. Okay, so I just decided that okay, first let's wait for the liquidation on downside. We're taking advantage of liquidation and taking towards the downside for now. Okay, so let's see guys what happens, right? So nothing much financial advice. Okay, so we'll just try to trace few moves on the downside for now. Okay, so most probably I would expect the price to drop till $76,719. All right, and for Ethereum as well. So this will be my move. Okay, so so till this level I'm expecting the price to get downside, and I'll most probably I will be opening my long position from this level. All right, so a small breakout given, right? So by chance, if the price happens to, without going downside in this level, if the price happens to break above this one, then I will take long immediately. All right, because this is already broken out. So okay, so next time if it comes from anywhere, from this level, this level, coming up from this level, I will just execute my long position. This is on Ethereum guys. Okay, small time frame, 5 minutes time frame. All right, so that will be one position for me. Okay, so I will be opening along from the upper side. Okay, and going all the way. But if it happens to come to this level, I will be most happy to take my long position from those levels, right? Small downside. Okay guys, that's my plan for now. Okay, and BT also most probably I will be taking from around $76,735 on a long side. Okay, because like what I told you is like I have seen that price was on the bullish side from this level. It was bullish side, okay, sideways but bullish side. Okay, from here breaking out, it couldn't push much. Usually if there was a good volume, then it would have given a big pump from here, from this level. But I saw there is a no good pump, whereby the volume is not there. Okay, so if there is no volume, the market have to come for the liquidations on this inverted head and shoulder pattern, right? Inverted head and shoulder pattern. So I just try to trace the liquidation with the market, that's all right. So people who have long over here, they are getting squeezed, and we just took the liquidations on the downside. Okay, so this is the market taking the liquidations. Okay, so if it happens to go from up directly from this level, this level, and if it happens to break above this one on a Bitcoin as well, I'm going to directly take the long position. But as far as this the Bitcoin is below this green block, it will be bearish for now for the liquidation purpose. All right, so later on if the price happens to move up from above, then I will long it. But if the price happens to go all the way towards the downside, I will take my long position from the downside. All right, so this is what I'm going to do on Bitcoin and Ethereum both. Okay, so nothing financial advice guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session, doing all the scalping, all doing analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, other coins as well, and the gold. All right, so you'll see lots of information and knowledge from our setup. The main motive of the group is that live stream is to learn, have fun, and of course earn, right? But there's nothing as financial advice for now. Okay, so just make your research before you move in. All right, so have fun. This is like Saturday, and don't try to go jump in with the big funds. All right, so you will get a bashed off, and you may have to cry, right, guys? So as if it is possible, don't try to take the trades on the weekends, right? But if you are aggressively taking, wait for the good move and good volumes, then only you will get a good profits. All right, guys. Okay, this is why I'm changing my mind from the long side from these levels towards the short sides. All right, because there was no good move, not volume. Okay, so this move, there's a small liquidation taken for the longs, right? So that can be a retest as well, which we call it retest, right? So after the breakout, so I'm just trying to trace that one. All right, guys, let's see what happens, guys. Yo, it's the live right now. Yeah, screen warrior, I'm back and alive. Okay, so previously we were having not much move in this levels. I just closed my live just before, right? And right now I'm just back again. Okay, so let's try to check it out. All right, guys, sand on sand. What I'm going to do is I will let the market price come a little bit downside, and I'll plan once more alongside on a sand. All right, guys, because sand is going to burst soon. This is what I feel. All right. I'll be taking 3 positions today. Okay, the one on sand, no, four positions today. All right, at once on a long position. Okay, sand, BT, Ethereum, and algo. All right, as soon as it comes, if it comes to this level. All right, but if it doesn't comes, then I just need to have omit it right for now on a long side. Okay, so let's see if it gets rejection from this level or not. So maybe it would like to try once more. Bitcoin might try once more in this level, maybe, right? And it can boom downside. That is possible. Okay, let's see anyways. So there is no good volume to push the market towards the upper side, so people selling it. All right, so we want a big liquidation before we move up. That's what we are expecting right now, guys. Okay, we are expecting a good movement on upper side, and firstly let's try to liquidate some money from the market, right? So we are taking that liquidations on downside. Okay, that's a retest for the long ones. Okay, so most probably I'm expecting a rejection from this level and coming all the way towards the downside once more. Okay, this is what I'm planning right now. Because we don't have a good volume right now, maybe after a few hours you might like to see a good volume. That time we will plan for the longs, right? So for longs we need a good volume, right, guys? We need a good volume. Okay, we need a good volume on our longs, so we must wait for a few minutes or few hours, few seconds, not of seconds, few minutes more. Small breakout towards the downside from this trend. Okay, we can see that one, and small retest being happening on the downside as well. Let's wait and see again. Again, if I come on a live stream, again the volume gets less. Guys, this is the habits, bad habits of the Bitcoin and Ethereum. I just want to, so the if your setups are not working, guys, it's not that your setup in a it's not that your setup is not working in such kind of situations, market, right? Because like for now in the 15 minutes totally we are in the sideways move, and if you plan to try to do your setups on those kind of move, then you might like to get a bashed off, and you may like, sometimes you may like to feel, you may feel that your setup's not working, but that's nothing something like that. All right, so you must know there are three types of moves. That is, one is uptrend move, one is downtrend move, and there is one sideways moves. All right, on a sideways move you always get your SL get bashed off. Okay, so most of the time it gets fed around those kind of moves. All right, and especially during the weekends, so many peoples they won't be trading it. There won't be any volume left for the price to push you all towards the upper side. So market needs to take some liquidations from those kind of levels, right, guys? So let's see, guys. Okay, what happens in the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Meanwhile, hope you guys are making good profits in trading journey. All right, if you have any questions, you may ask me, so that whatever I know, I will just try to be transparent with you and just try to reply you. All right, so any kind of help. So if you guys are want to join a VIP group, there is a number over there. You can just join over there. All right. So only the potential trade I give in the my VIP group with video explanations. Everything comes just like a live only. Okay, explanations. Okay, you can do this thing. Just do over there. Your marks over there. Your SL over there. Your TVs over there. Okay, something like that. So it is so easy for you to go for my VIP group, even the beginners. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, algo is giving a little bit drop. Okay, I want a little bit more towards the downside before we move up. So this will be target for the shots, right, and entry for the longs. Excuse me, this is on 5 minutes time frame, guys. Ethereum and Bitcoin, we are following 5 minutes for now. All right. Hey, Srijish. Hi, hi, hi. Srijish. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Previously, I was hungry also. I need to get back. I went back immediately, right? And the market moves were too annoying that time, right? Gold, gold. We will see when the market opens. All right, guys. So gold, the market is gold closed for now. All right. So most probably from Monday to Friday, we check it on gold. We check it on. We check it on BT, Ethereum. All right. If you have anything, you can ask me. All right, guys. All right, guys. So those kind of market, it is very difficult to test it, but if you have your good setups and good discipline, I think you can win anytime, right? It's not that hard, right? What happened? So what it did, guys, Bitcoin just broke out on upper side, but it couldn't throw all the way on upper side. Okay, so this is just the retest for the longs, but it might take the liquidation towards the downside, those who are too early to enter, right? So let's see anyways if it gets rejection from this level or not. So it should be getting a rejection from this level and dumping all the way towards the downside. Okay, if it gets an upper side, that will be respecting inverted head and shoulder pattern. But if there is a good volume, it might like to push it. But if there is no good volume, then again the price will come down for the liquidations, and we might like to plan our longs from the downside only. I am confident on a long on a down from the downside. Okay, confident on down long on it from the downside. Ethereum is giving a better move than the Bitcoin, right, guys? Ethereum is giving a good point. So if I have to plan get a if I get a good setup from these levels, right? So most probably I'll be targeting my first TP towards this one, second TP, and third TP towards this one. And furthermore, I hold it on the upper side. Okay, so this is my plan on Ethereum as well as the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, my first TP will be towards this one, $78,000. Secondly, towards this one, and third towards this one. And if it moves upper that, we will hold it accordingly. All right, from the down, if it gives the pushes on the upper side. Bitcoin just gave the short setup from this level on a smaller time frame, 1 minute time frame, and we took that one. All right, so nothing financial advice. Okay, so I used the 1 minute time frame to check this one. Okay, the breakout on the from the trend, and I just took this one for now. All right. So price can change its direction anytime. Just be careful, guys. Okay. Hey, Frankie Pat, how are you? Frankie Pat, how are you doing? So far, so good. Frankie Pat, so far, so good, huh? Mhm. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to the Saturday sessions, guys. Okay, Saturday sessions. You just enjoy it. You learn it. That's more than important, guys. Learning is more than understanding the market is more important than learning, getting a profits, right, guys? So that once, if you are if you are getting a profit, that's only one time. But if you are learning it, it will give you a profit for more than 100 times, 1,000 times, million times, 10,000 times, right? So far, so good. Yeah. Frankie Pat. Frankie Pat. Yesterday, Frankie Pat was there, right? So for Ethereum, my long position will come from this level only. Okay. But if the Ethereum happens to break above this green block and try to stay up, I can still go for one long position from the upper side. Okay, anytime. As far as even for the Bitcoin, if the retest fails, then it might like to jump on upper side as well. So it shouldn't be passing about this trend, this yellow line, especially this yellow line. It shouldn't be passing above this yellow line. Okay, guys, for Bitcoin as well as on Ethereum. Ethereum, this green block, you can watch it at. Right. So let it flow. There is no good volume in the market right now, so it will take some time. All right, it is going to take some time. So far so good. That's great. Thank you, Pat. That's great. So those who are watching me for the first time, okay, don't say hi, where you from, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live stream from next time, as well as I know where are you watching me from in our live streaming. Though this is small live streaming sessions, the group, all right, but we have people from different parts of the world, all right, uh, making profits, making like learning from the setups, okay, learning the tradings, all right. So this live streaming is totally for the education purpose. Don't take it as a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, all right. So we have people from UK, Japan, Germany, everywhere, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, okay, so Australia, US, everywhere, guys, everywhere, okay, Nigeria, South Africa, Sri Lanka. Yes, so if you guys are interested to join my group, I have a link in the description box. You can join over there. All right, I have a small Telegram group that for you all. So if I get a big information, I share over there. All right, so that you can catch me on my live stream as well. Okay, so if you follow over there, let's see, guys, what the Bitcoin does. Right now, the volume is not good, so we planned for a short side rather than going up. Okay, So if there is a coming in a good volumes, then we might like to check out for the breakouts as well. All right. Excuse me. So far so good. Okay, okay, guys. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Every day I come on a live stream, you can catch me. All right, you can catch me. You can learn from my setup. You understand the market better way, okay, and you try to do your own research and plan your things, okay, guys. Hi, hi, Irish. Hi. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay, by till Monday, we are planning for the. I'm planning to reach if market provides around 81,000 to $82,000. But firstly, I need a drop. Then only I can plan on a long side. Okay, from the lower level. Nothing much to do, just watch what how the market is going, right, guys? So this is on a chart right now, and it tried to break out on upper side, small on 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is on 1 minute time frame. Observe it well. The market tried to give a small breakout on upper side. One big drop can be expected again, and we shall go for the liquidations all the way towards the downside. We'll grab some liquidation firstly before we move up. This is what I'm feeling right now, what I feel right now. Okay, we must rack some liquidations. So market over here, if you try to understand in the bullish way, this was a head and shoulder pattern over here. Okay, inverted head and shoulder pattern over here, and market just broke above this level, and this just retest having. Okay, so I was expecting a big move from here, but it couldn't provide it after a small retest, right? So I thought of going for the shots right now. Okay, for a small time frame plus short time frame. Okay. I'm a sell position from this level. Okay, I'm in sell position from this level right now. But if the Bitcoin happens to break above this green block, especially about this yellow line, and tries to stay above, then it will turn it towards the bullish. Okay, so this is the level whereby Bitcoin is divided into two directions. Okay, above bullish side, down is still bearish side. Okay, so just know that one. Above bullish side, downside is a bearish side. The yellow line that we have. Same with the Ethereum as well. As far as it is below this yellow line and the green block, it will be bearish only. But if it happens to pass above on upper side, right, on upper side, then it will turn out to be a bullish, and breaking above this one, I will just press my buy button. All right, nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, just make your own research before you move in. Okay, just keep it simple, understand in a simple way. So forget about everything below this one, and below this yellow line that I have is bearish. Above this one is all bullish, right? So this is how you understand if you are beginners. Okay, otherwise it for beginners it will be very hard to understand where is the buy or the sell or everything. Let's see what the market does, guys. All right. Right now Bitcoin is in a small time frame, totally on a short bearish side. Okay, small retest, small everything done, and about around the 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame, you can see that Bitcoin in a sideways still. All right, you are still in the sideways. Let it run a little bit, right? If it happens to, if the Bitcoin and Ethereum happens to firstly check on upper side, I will plan my short from this level or from the above levels. Okay, so that will turn out to be bearish. If it directly moves up, then it will just test the upper level first, then only it will come back, right? Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens in Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. Gold market is closed, so we cannot do anything today on a gold. All right, but most probably Bitcoin and Ethereum also has a low volume right now. Hey. So structure is for the bulls, right, guys? Structure is for the bulls right now. I'm just tracing some liquidation before we move up. All right, if the market happens to give the liquidation, because there is no volume, we everyone knows, right? So if there is no volume, we cannot move up very far. All right, we won't be able to move very far on upper side if there is no good volumes, right? We wait for the price to come down, grab some volumes, then move up together. Okay. On BT, most probably I'll be trying to, if it happens to break above these levels, I will try to buy it. If it doesn't goes down, if it comes directly up, okay. Otherwise, I will wait for the price to move on a downside and buy it from the down together. All right. On buyer side, the setup is for the buyer side on a over here, right, on the buyer side. But the thing is, there is no good volume yet. Mhm. Mhm. Let it drop down first, then we shall plan on it. For a short time frame, again, Bitcoin will push 1 minute time frame scalpings. तेरा मेरा दिल है understand the market, okay guys, understand the market, make your own research, okay. If you are not able to, then try to understand what I mean for now. All right, try to understand the market, then you plan your setups, okay. Hey bro, double top. Now this is just a small retest that is happening in this downside moves after breaking out this level of support, right? Now 1 minute time frame. Since we are in 1 minute time frame, okay, what I mean is if you go back and check on 5 minutes time frame, you'll see it clearly that this is on a bull side for now. Okay, why bull side? What is making the bull side? This is inverted head and shoulder pattern for you all. It broke out on upper side. This is just a retest that is taking it. But if it happens to pass above this level, then it might give you all the long setup. But I'm going to plan only above this dotted dash line. Okay, so it will get confident for me. All right, further up from there, then I will plan it. Okay, but most probably I'm expecting price to get rejection from here and go for the liquidation first because we don't have volume. So market most probably might throw all the way downside and give small liquidation. After that we might like to, if it happens to come on a downside, then I will plan my long side. Okay, but if it aggressively move on upper side, then I can go for the long position from here as well. All right, so this is a breakout, okay, on a breakout on this horizontal resistance. Okay, so most probably I'm expecting price to fill this retest, okay, or for the bulls, so that we get a good volume from the downside, and next time we will come up and push it all the way on upper side. Okay, So for now, my position is activated from $77,806 on the short side. Okay, so this is my position level whereby I have activated my shots. The risky one, I took it small risks, and my plans are a little bit long downside for now. Okay. Below this yellow line, this dash yellow line, and below this green block, it will be all bearish. Okay, all bearish for me. Okay, especially for me, it will be all bearish. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Anyways, we'll be watching together and we'll be trying to analyze together, right? What's happening in the market. Okay. So market can change its direction from anywhere and from where, everywhere. So we should be ready, flexible for long as well as short. Okay. But for now, I'm in short. All right. From these levels. Okay. I'm trying to grab the liquidation with the market. Okay. Before we move up. So firstly, small liquidation, then we will plan for the longs and we'll move together on upper side. Okay, and touch maybe 81,000, 82,000, 84,000, maybe, right? That's also possible. According to the market, we'll move on. All right, so always don't make your mind rigid with one-sided, like it should be long or short, something like that. Okay, so whichever direction the market shows you, then you should follow that accordingly. All right, especially when you are in Saturday and Sunday sessions. All right, there will be lots of fake out moves, and you try to get trapped. Okay, so try to analyze it a little bit better. Try to give your best to analyze the market. All right. Guys, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday. When you see double bottom, is that confirmation to sell? Double top, confirmation for the sales. After the retest gets passed, then it is the confirmation for sale for me. Okay, right now I'm just inversing it so that it is looking in the opposite way. Firstly, over here, if I was happy, if this is a bull side, okay, so if it gave breakouts, all right, it gave breakout. So after passing, this was the breakout zone. So after passing the breakout prices towards the upper side, then only I confirm for the longs, right? So this is what I do. So only just checking the retest, okay, from the point where the price have broken out, right? Simple, simple, nothing complicated. Sometimes it will be double top as well as sometimes it will be double bottom. Okay, so on double bottom, usually I take two things. On double bottom, I take two things. One, I take long side, one, I take short side as well. Okay, so for example, if the market happens to give a liquidation, boom, towards the downside. So this is a pattern, double bottom pattern, but all double bottom pattern is not for the bull side. Okay, this can be for the liquidation as well. All double top bottom pattern, yeah, pattern, double top pattern, this all time is not for the bearish. Sometimes it's for the liquidation as well. To just liquidate those who have short it in this level. So this money goes to the market. All right, after market gets the money, they will pay you. Before it moves, it need to have some money to pay you, the retailers, right? So market always try to take the liquidation. Some traders, they just do the liquidations only. All right, just the liquidations. So for now over here also to move on upper side, I'm expecting some liquidation in this level before we move up. All right. So let's see anyways what the market does. All right. So this is Saturday and Sunday market. We cannot trust anything, but even not our setups, but we have to follow some psychology. You have to see it. All right. Then accordingly we will plan it. All right. From this level, I just broke out from this level and hmm, what? Over here, we came down from this levels. All right. We did some price action over here. It broke down. Again, it was getting rejected, and passed through. Then we just plan for the shots. All right. So this is just the retest in this levels. All right. If you check this level, this is just the retest happening in this levels for the shots. All right. So it might like to go till this level and again dump all the way down. Or if it happens to pass above this green line, then it will turn out towards the bullish side. Okay, as far as you are below this green, yellow line, it will be all bearish side only. Okay, understand the market and you plan accordingly. All right. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Right, guys. This old man now. Okay. Sometimes people plan their longs too early. Okay, over here only because this is just a breakout. After the breakout, let the retest does it finishes, then only if it comes out, then only you can plan for the long side. Otherwise, you cannot plan your long side, guys. We see people buying it early. Okay, sometimes even I do mistakes like without uh, without having patience on the breakout. We tend to plan our longs. Okay, but that is not the correct way. After the breakout, you wait for the retest, and if the retest is finished, then only you can plan for the long. All right, so let's see, guys. Liquidation or expect the pattern, or expect the pattern or the liquidations. We have to see two things only, and one will be correct and one will be incorrect. Right. So for now, why I'm going for the sale is the pattern that I have over here. The pattern I have over here is not matching with my volume. All right. So we need to get the volume. So firstly, liquidation is my priority. All right. Liquidation is my priority. So I'm going for the shots. And after that, I plan my longs. All right. But if it happens to move up suddenly, if it gets a good volumes, and if it happens to pass above this level, the bulls will get in. All bulls will get in. All right. अब ये okay. Those who are interested to join my VIP group, you're welcome. Okay, it's $20, and I give the signals with the video explanations. It's not a financial advice though. Okay, I'm just giving you all the informations. Those who are interested. Okay, signals with video explanations. You get everything over there. Okay, so it's not. So you can make sure that it's not a fake. All right. Something like in the live only. So you just analyze the market and you get the setups. That's good for you all so that you understand and plan accordingly. All right. Na 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 na. Is it better? Let's wait and see what the Bitcoin does. All right. Nice one. Drop it, BT, drop it. Crazy. Drop it, bro. We need a big drops. I cannot find your group. It's Discord or Telegram. It's on Telegram. It's on Telegram, Frankie Pat. This is on Telegram. I have a, if you can find it, you can go within my bio and you can find over there. All right. So bio, you will find some links. Okay. Over there, you click on Telegram group. All right. So that you can just press over there. Lovely, guys. Super, super. Even in the Saturday market, we are trading it and we are bashing it. Come on. All right. So usually in the previously, I used to give you all the setups like you can buy, sell everything over the live stream only because of the few policies of the Bitcoin, the YouTube. I cannot give you all the instructions right now. All right. Otherwise, I used to give you all the instructions. All right. So far, so cool, guys. What is it? Oh, restore. We have lost disconnections. Oh, all right. Lovely. Some more liquidations we requires. Okay, so exactly I told you it will give, so not, it haven't reached on the top, but it came all the way down from the low side only. All right, so this retest is done. Let me clear this off. Right. for for the VIPs, if you want to join the VIPs, you have to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp on the uh, WhatsApp or the Telegram on my number over there. Frankie Pet, you can send me the message that will send you the link. All right. Say hi on my number. I have the link over there. In my bio, couldn't you find it? YouTube bio. General informations. Let me check. On bio, there is crypto analysis Telegram channel. Oh, yeah, the user not found. All right, all right, all right. Okay, let me change. Okay, those who are interested, you can send me the message because like I changed then the username for the link for the group recently. So maybe because of that one. It is like invite, copy link. Channel URL. Okay, I'll let later on update it that one as well. Yeah, I just forgot. I forgot. Hey, hey, hey. Content. Register, create, Binance, Bitkit. Oh, yeah, yeah. Just a second, I'm updating on my those who are interested to join. HTTP. You can add external link in the video description once you have many. Mm. Yeah, you can check it once now. Yeah, I've updated it. I think it will work. If you have not messaged me, if you can message me, I will just give you the link. I'll update in the YouTube later on. All right, for now I have updated for this video. Okay. What happened? What happened, guys? Dropped a little bit and got stuck. Why the 1 minute itself is not moving? Why is it not moving? Is it? Oh, yeah. Most probably some profit, move SL to the entry. This is what we do in these levels. Let it move, let it move, move. Bitcoin without volume, liquidations, liquidations. I told you all the liquidation, Bitcoin might do it, right? So rather than going up and clearing all over here, those who have early long from here, they are trapped over here. Bitcoin trapped them and dumped all the way towards the downside. You see this inverted. So you should know that W pattern, right? Where is it? No, I don't want it. I don't want this one. So you should know that there will be two things even for the double top. Okay, either that means the price is coming down, right? Coming down, or that means there is a liquidation for that one. All right, two directions. So even for the inverted head and shoulder patterns, right, there will be two things happening. Either the price can move up or just if you the market takes advantage of this pattern to liquidate them. So most of the people after seeing this double inverted head and shoulder pattern, they just try to buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. All right, market takes the advantage of this inverted head and shoulder to take the liquidations. So we are following the market right now, so we are okay. All right, we are following the market. This money goes to the market, right? Liquidations. So firstly it will liquidate it, and after that it will give you the profits. The market needs to have some profits to pay all the retailers, right, guys? Okay, so firstly it will take the liquidation, then you might like to get the profits, right? Always the concept. Even that concept can make you profitable. First get the liquidation and market gets the liquidation, then you get the profits. You know what I mean? First liquidation and profits. Liquidation and profits. Hope that was helpful to you all to understand the market, guys. Okay, so understanding the market is more important than making profits. Okay, understanding the market always. Excuse me. Hey, can I buy BTC here? No. Shuraj Khan, not over here. I don't have any setups over here for the buys. If you get buy, you might like to get small profits, but Basically Bitcoin is trying to push you all towards the downside for the liquidations. All right, for now, little bit downside or upper side, the buying position you'll get it. I was trying to move my stop loss to the entry. Yeah, modify it. 77,738.8. I. So there is nothing financial advice, okay, guys. Just manage your plan accordingly to your analysis. Just get the help from here, right, and make your analysis on yourself and take the decisions. All right. So this is nothing financial advice, though. Okay. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. I'll be like weekdays. You might like to see a good things. All right, not much chaos, right? So if you are able to manage the trades, usually in the weekends people don't trade. Okay, people the traders, they don't trade, they don't like to trade because the volume gets so low and market tries to fake you around much. All right, people don't like trading on the weekends. My buy position for BTC, one is over here. If it directly moves up, getting a good volume and pump. Okay, one is on the downside. All right, downside. So I have a two set up for the long side. One is on this level and one is from downside. Okay. Let's see what it does. Candles are so small. So when I get the setup for the longs, I close my shots. Okay. When I get set up for the longs, I close my shots. For now, I don't have setup for the longs right now. Will it get bashed down?
an objection home chitin no sang sample google sising ba an chenagi no what's kan to me no acho shi computer on bere to me acho computer on tamasha dan bijaga ngaya chla yese ajena letter tv print penalo.
Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Was trying to stop loss. Okay. It will play around a bit. Again, try to push you down. Again, try to give you the hope for the longs. Again, try to push you down. So later on, we will come out of this levels. Okay. Just wait, guys. Patience, patience, patience. I don't see any long positions also over there, guys. Okay, so you must have need to have patience, guys. All right, patience is the must. So far taken around 0.33 percentage, right? Let it flow, guys. Let it flow. All right. Let it flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. Right now, market is all bearish. I haven't got any good pressure from the buyers. We need to have good pressures from the buyers, guys. All right. We need to have good pressures. No good pressures from the buyers yet. Guys. So those who have brought it over here, they are bashed now. So they thought that after the breakout, it will come for the retest and it passed the retest. So on the breakout also you should know where to buy it. Okay, guys, not exactly this point. If the price happens to go up and break out from this level, then this level, right, then the retest gets passed and they might like to buy, but people buy too early and they get passed off, right? I've seen, okay, in the live sessions also, I see the peoples are doing buy in the zone and they get bashed off, right? After the retest, if it get bashed off, that means okay, no problem. All right. Sometimes they bashed off after getting retest also. Market bashed off, right? Market will trap them. Okay. So you have to know. So what kind of trader are you? Are you day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalpers? That will depend on you, right, guys? For day trader, big traders like long-term holders doesn't matter, right? For me, I usually take scalping, but today there is no good volume. Otherwise, it would have been already filled up. so, so I wait outside the market more, and I get inside and get out quickly. Okay, in the weekdays. Okay, today it is like a little bit more more waiting, right? More waiting because like there is no good volumes in the weekends. We cannot expect as well. All right, we cannot expect also. It will move slow, move slow. It's going to move slow. We can do nothing over here. Now those who are late entry, they cannot enter from here as well, and they cannot buy from this as well, right? This right now at the typical point. Wait, guys, wait. Your opportunity will come. Opportunities are never ending, guys. Don't get informed and jump here and there. All right. Just take a single trade, one or two, or just perfect one, and just end your day. That's a good one, right? So you need to have patience, all right? So getting inside also, we need to have patience. Getting outside, the like after getting in, like having patience is also part of the trade, guys. Okay, so the setup is not everything, guys. All depends on discipline, your risk management, money management. All right. So some people don't have good setups, but they have a good money management and risk management, though they are getting in profits. We can see that one also. All right. Setup is not everything. Setup is just 20%, guys. Rest is all your thinking process, your patience, your discipline. So I have been telling you all that those called professional trader, they spent almost 5 to 6 years just to learn the thing called patience, guys. Patience. You need to have patience, right? Entering also you need to have patience. Okay? So uh, before entrance also waiting for the setup, you need patience. You shouldn't go for FOMO, all right? So if it passes by, let the market go passes by. But if it's not coming, your setup in your journey or your place, you shouldn't go, right? It requires a patience, guys. Everywhere is a patience. And money management, right? So we have been losing money because of the patience. We don't have patience. We see a big green candle, we try to enter. Oh no, that's not the right way. Come on. All right. You don't have setup. Okay, nothing over there. You just try to buy or sell. That's not the good way of trading, guys. So we know everything in trading, Johnny. We know everything, guys. To not to do over trading, not to do over risking, not to do use over funding. Everything we know it. We know it. We need to have patience. We know it, right? But why don't we following it? Why we are not following it? It never follows that one. When the time when you are following that thing, then automatically the profits will come to you guys. Okay, so we are just stuck not following it. You never follows it. I ask my people, okay, not to go with the big fundings, all right, but they happens to go with that one, all right. But this is not financial advice. This is what I thought, all right. This is totally for the education purpose, only those who are watching me, all right. So don't take it as a financial advice, all right. So we know that risk management is important, but we never follow the risk management. Come on, the traders. So how will you grow profitable, guys? There's no chance. There is no chance of getting profitable without following a risk management, without following a money management, fund management, patience, disciplines, right? We in the morning we'll think that okay, we shouldn't go for the over trading. And why the people again goes for the over trading? So simple one thing, if you fail one mistake, if you make one mistake, everything will drag you over there. So if you, for example, if you try to go for a big fund in a single trade, then if you make a losses, then again the over trading will come to you. All right, automatically, automatic things. These are automation for our humans, guys. Humans, okay. So it's hard to get profits from the market, guys. Okay, it becomes hard to get profits from the market. Otherwise, everything is fine. If you follow it strictly, everything will come to you. After making a good profit, we ask them not to go to the trade again. Why? And people go for it and they get bashed off. Okay, you don't see any entry. You just, without any setup, you try to plan your, you try to get in. You don't have TPs, you don't have SL with blindly. Going for the blind things will make you blind, guys. You will think that you are doing the right way, but it's not. Market will teach you the lesson, guys. Come on. This is not financial advice, but I'm just sharing with you all so that you guys also get benefit from that. All right. So even for the education also, when the trader have the money, they never thoughts of investing on themselves. They will never chase the educations or like learning course, those things. Those things are important, guys. But you try to understand that you need to get a correct one. All right, correct one. Otherwise, you will get again. You will learn nothing over there. All right. Practical things you should know it. How to make setups, how to enter it, how to draw the trends. Those things should be learned. Come on. You just press all the indicators on your screen and you try to trade. That's not going to work. Come on. If you want to be a real trader, guys, you should know how to do it yourself. Remove your all indicators today itself. It's not going to grow you. Come on, guys. You know how to draw the trend and you try to put the indicators over there. So this is, if you put the indicators over there, you'll get the trend, right? But if there is no indicator, you don't know how to draw the trend as well. Support and resistance also, you can't find it, right? This is not a good thing. You remove your indicators, all those things, rubbish. Nothing is going to come from there. No money. Spider strategy does it again. All the time, bro, all the time. Hey, Designer Hub, how are you? Have you taken any trades today? Where is Draven? Oh, Draven went for the vacation maybe with his wife. I can't see him around. Right. Guys, try to learn yourself or something else if you want to do a real trading. If you are just doing the time pass, trading is not the thing, not that easy. If you try to learn, it's not that hard as well, right? Simple things, we don't follow it, that's all. Simple things, we know it, but we never follow it. To follow that simple thing, you need to take around 5 to 6 years, that's all. Nothing much. Mohammed, hi. Hi, कैसा है? हम तो ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? ভালো আছি। Try to spend on your things, guys. Okay, try to invest on yourself before you invest in the market. Even if you invest in the market, even if you make the losses, try to learn something from there. What you are doing the mistakes, right, guys? So that you will be able to improve it. So that is the price you're paying to the market. Okay, you learn nothing, you just keep paying the market is nothing over there. So you're not giving the efforts. All right. X Export, hi, how are you? I'm good. Hi, Agi. Hi, where are you from? Welcome, guys, welcome. Just text me where are you from, guys. Where are you from? If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right? Look at trend line breakout 77,590. 77,590. Over here, I think it's just a small one, smallest one. One gap is left, we can understand that on the top upper side. When it was doing the retest, it was not, it couldn't pass it above to those levels. Boom. There is no volume, so it's not moving much. Otherwise, it will be so interesting to trade in a big days, right? Big volume, quick SL or quick TPs, boom, 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 boom after the breakouts. Okay, I'm from Bhutan, brother. Export zone. I'm from Bhutan, the Bitcoin mining country. Bull pump, bull pump. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, maybe. I'm expecting some liquidations. Maybe small pump can be expected. I'm not doing anything over here for the buy things. My buy zone comes only after passing this red one or coming to this zone. These two things I'm focusing it. Rest, I just ignore it. I'm ignoring everything right now because we have a bull zone over here. We need some liquidations before we move up because there is no good volume at all right now, or that can be liquidity that can trap the shots and move up as well. That is also possible, right now it have given the shots, all right, that's also possible. Possible things. So over here I booked some profit, move my SL to entry and let it flow. That's all. 0.31. Now I'll take one setup after this one. That will be from here, or that will be from here. That's all. Or else I'll be holding with my SL at the entry after booking my profit. That's all. Only one or two setups in a day. That's fine to make you livings, make your livings, right? Where are you from, guys? Just text me below. Morocco, Africa. Yeah, I told you, right, guys. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right? So that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? Okay? Netherlands, yeah, Supermax, right? Netherlands. We have people from different parts of the world. This is one interesting thing about this live streaming committee right now. We are having small zone, but high impact people. All right. Dragon, I realized that using a previous day candle, I can get four major support and resistance zone. Open, high, low, close, give good reactions. Mm. Using previous day candle, I get four major support. Which time frame? On 5 minutes? The daily time frame, you mean? That is also possible. So we have all strategies will work. Design hub. All strategy is going to work. Every strategy is going to work. It's just that how you use that strategy, the better way or the because like there are like SMCs, there are pattern follow, trend line, breakout, ICT concept, lots of Fibonacci, right? Those kind of lots of even patterns, they just follow the patterns, liquidation concept, lots of strategies, right? Everything is going to work, okay? But again, why the people are making losses? Actually, it's not about the setup at all. I, when you realize everything, it's not about the setup at all. You try to go with the one setups, okay, fine, all right. It's not about setup at all. It's all about your risk management. When you make losses, make it small. When you make profits, make it big. That's all. But this is not financial advice. This is sharing what I know for now. All right. It's totally not about the setups at all as well. Okay. You should know how to use it when you get trapped. Like when your things are not working, you should know how to exit it. You should know where to book profits, right? So small things, rest. Okay. So these are the things that we need to take it into considerations. Even support and resistance, simple things can also work. Okay. But when it won't work. So simple things we have to identify it. All right. All setup is going to work in the market. Every setups. But you have to identify when it doesn't work. Right. So manage your risks accordingly. All right. With your setups. Whichever setup you have, it's going to work 100%. It's sure. But it's about the how you use it. SMC SMC concept, right? Smart money concept, right? So this the strategy is also working for people. For some it will work, for some it won't work. Okay. Liquidation concept, it will work for some it won't work for some. So it depends on how you are handling it. So Designer Hub said me, Designer Hub was the one, right? It's not about the indicators were not that bad, but the people who used that indicators were so not very they are not using the right ways, right? So that's thing. All the concept, all the strategies, those who observes it is like they are correct only, but we just fail sometimes. Our brains, sometimes it will be tired, sometimes it varies, right? The situation varies. Sometimes it will be very active, sometimes it will be very sad. So according to the feelings, you'll see the different things over there. That's all. Subscribe done and like done. Thank you, Agi. All right. Good to see you over here. All right. So previously I used to do aggressively on the YouTube as well, buy, sell everything over there, but I stopped. I controlled myself a little bit now down because like it's too much for the YouTube. All right. So I try to control myself a little bit. Okay. So I slow down a little bit, then I run for the long journey. Okay. With you all. Small and slowly. Okay. Slow and far journey with you all. Long journey, guys. Come on. Long journey. Okay. There will be breakout or fake out in the zone. Okay. There either will be a one good breakouts that will push all the way market towards the upper side or one good fake out in the zone. Observe it, guys. This zone is so important. There will be a good fake out or good breakout in the zone. Observe it well so that next time it will be helpful for you all. This zone is crucial. Usually in the weekdays, it will be fake out, but weekends I also don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. There is a breakout. This zone is smart. Like using RSI or Bollinger Bands and trending marks, a total no, no, no. Is it RSI or Bollinger Bands and trending markets, a total no, no. Okay, all right. So it's just which works for you. All right. Sometimes it works for another person, but it doesn't work for all the people, right? So it differs sometimes. So this is a crucial zone during the weekdays whereby people get trapped in this breakout. Do advanced learning in one strategy, that's also okay. The advanced learning means like I have said it, why when it doesn't works for you, in which situation it doesn't works, that strategy, that is called advanced learning for me. Okay, 100% my strategy will also not work, but when I make losses, I know how to take my losses. That's the difference between the me and some of the people's, right? When you make losses, you know how to make losses. Take back the losses and just sleep. That's all. Retest Soko long. Okay, that can be also. Let's see what it does. All right, but I'm not activating any position at these levels. All right. Either price will be trapped or either it will throw all the price towards the bullish zone. This third level is so important. I call it trap zone. This zone is a trap zone. During the weekdays, it traps a lot. Let's see, guys. You know how to lose this is it, bro. Yeah. So you should know when to get out of the trade, when should you not enter the trade, and that's few things. This having setup is not only the thing, okay, guys. You should know a little bit more, advance it. Observe this level so carefully, guys. Next time also it will be so important for you all. Price must talk to you. Brazil. Hey Brazil. Hey Brazil. When is our World Cup coming? Let's meet up, guys. Brazil. Where is the World Cup this time? Design Hub, you must be knowing. I'm not that big fan of the soccer, but Brazil. Shakira, Shakira. Important level for the Bitcoin right now in the smallest time frame. Okay, observe this level once more. This can give you a big pump or this can give you a big dump. Shakira, Shakira. Saminamia. Eh. Where are you from, Dragon? I'm from Bhutan. I'm from Bhutan. So many people don't know where the Bhutan is. I'm from Bhutan. Do you know Bhutan? Bhutan. I belongs from Bhutan. Yeah. Price must talk to you. Zanahab. Seeking the imbalance. Price must talk to you. Treat the market as your living things. Like your parents, like your brother, like your sister. Okay? I belongs to Bhutan. 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 The Bitcoin mining country. You can search. You'll know it over there. Okay? Ethereum, what's happening with Ethereum? Okay, it's going back. Lovely Ethereum. It's going back. Give a small breakout. Goes up, dump down, go up. Those things will happen tonight. Let's see what happens tonight. The day you forget about the money, you'll try to become profitable, guys. Just focus only on the trading things, setups, all those things, disciplines. You forget rest. Yes, darling. How can I help you? Do you need anything? I'm not buying in this zone, guys, right now. I'll let it flow. We're checking in a 1 minute time frame right now, guys. 1 minute time frame. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right? So that you can catch me from Monday to Friday session doing the live streaming on Bitcoin, gold, right? Ethereum, all those things. I help you to do the analysis, rest you research it, right? You research it. Oh, how is this? Let it go, let it go, let it go. We keep breaking this level. One just broke above this level. Where is that? This level of resistance. All right. Big things coming, guys. Market moves are boring. What to do, guys? The market moves itself is so boring. Market move is boring. We should play. You forgot to get the watermark indicator that shows pair any time frame. You forgot to get the watermark. I didn't get you, Design Hub. You forgot to get the watermark indicator. Watermark indicator. Watermark indicator that shows pair and time frame. Bhutan is a Buddhist country. Yes. Yes, true. Wow, you found it. It is, it is, it is. It will slow current pair and time frame on the chart's background. Show current. Oh, oh. Okay, should I do that one? Designer Hub? Dasho Top Kill Doji, head of the Tashi group. Oh, yeah. The businessman. Yeah, he have ruled. Baby, baby, oh, baby, baby, ooh. So what? Ang mabis eh. Live stream ba ito? Legend mo ito. Harap lang. Should I try it? Design Hub? Brother, keep going. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Let me add, right. Maybe that indicator I can add. Watermark for which one you suggest? JD. Alright. Let me. I added for you all. But because of the chart, let me do the settings for this one. Image style. Yeah. Speakers, style settings. I did it for you. I mark it yellow. Yellow is my favorite. Yeah, that's better. I added 201. I did it. Design Hub. Your master of indicators, huh? Your master of indicators. Mm. Okay. I think I did 2-1. Did I add 2? No, 1. It's okay. The text. Let me clear the text. Okay. So this zone is so important, guys. Here, this zone. This is, I call it fake out during the weekdays. Fake out zone. Fake out, breakout. 600 to 601, 611, then reverse. 601, 600 to 611. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We'll be watching it. All right. We'll be watching it. I did it. Designer Hub. I did it. I usually don't follow indicators, but this is good one for you all to get informations. So I don't have to name it again and again, right? Mm. Brother, set slot 3 to empty and move it bottom left. Oh, you want me to move this one to the left bottom? My designer hub is, yeah, better now. No, is it visible? Is it visible? Okay, it's visible, right? It's visible. Loading, something is loading, guys, loading. Tuk 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 tuk, loading, loading. Something is loading in this level. Spider web strategy. Usually my followers says that my strategy is spider web strategy. It's for the spider web strategy. Yes. Risponde. Bhutan is expensive for tourists. Yeah, previously it was so cheap. Recently the government changed and yeah, a little bit expensive, but new things for tourists. There is a value for the tourist whereby you will spend, you'll do business, you make your homes, right? So GMC is coming up for the people all over the world. The biggest exchange hub, the capital for the digital currency. Everything is coming over there, guys. You may like to shift over there. Tintin ko dambe jawa chilish man misangagati. It's perfect one for the tourist. Now it's developing. There is one spot part of the area whereby it is our king's vision is to make a international hub, right? But different kind of uh, field, maybe the finance field, maybe technologies field. So this will be one of the center for the headquarter for so many things, guys. So that will be a good opportunity to make good bucks over there, guys. Even if you open a single exchange, that's going to work for you, all right? Okay. It's beautiful. It was beautiful. AirPods, you realize the reversal? Yeah, it is reversing it. It gave a breakout over here uh, from this level. It gave a breakout and it is trying to get the retest done. All right. And it might reverse also to the upper zone. Okay. But weekdays, usually this spot is for the fake out moves. It will give you the one breakout from here. It will move to a certain point and just bash you all the way towards downside. Okay, let's see what it does right in the weekends. Where is the place I can enter for the longs? My long position is two. Okay, one, I have a two long position that I have targeted it. One, I am going to enter once it is done above this levels because this is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, one above this level. One, I shall wait for the price to come to this level. I have two spot only for me on a long position. Right now, I'm not going to enter for the long position. Nothing, I'm not going to do anything over here. All right. Because I need a bigger, I want to catch only bigger moves, right? Great. Hi. Sandu Max. Hi, hi. Nasro. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello. One breakout given on a 1 minute time frame. Great, brothers. Hello. Are you full-time trader? No, I'm not. I'm not full-time trader because I take only 2 to 3 trades in a day. Today it's I'm holding a bet. Otherwise, I won't be holding a trade. I wait outside the trade. I wait, and when it comes to my place, then I enter. Okay. Today also, I would be waiting for the breakouts, proper breakouts, like either coming up, that is one confirmations, and breaking above this my yellow line will be one confirmation. After that, only I trade it. Okay, for the longs. Right now, it's still in the sideways box. All right. If you try to check on a bigger time frame, like 15 minutes, you will find it in a good sideways range. All right, towards the bottom, right, of the sideways. In fact, but for the smaller time frame, I'm just meanwhile waiting for my setups. I'm just taking one trade over here from the little short from here. All right. What I do is I wait outside 3 to 4 hours just for a single trade. Okay. So it's okay for me to take few trades in a day and just I'm fine. All right. I'm not aggressive towards that. More trades, more profits, not that way. All right. Okay, my target is 645. All right, 645. All right, that's great target. Oh, you are scalping a small one, Agi. Uh, yeah, Agi, which boom. Yeah, that's lovely. The volumes are coming in a little bit. Towards the evening, towards it's 7:45. Now 30 minutes more, 20 minutes or 30 minutes more. You'll see a good volumes. You'll see good volumes coming in already. Okay. I'm ignoring the small moves for now. All right, guys. Okay. If I want, I can take one long from here till this level range, one long from here till this level range. All right. Small moves. I'm ignoring it for now. Boom. Did you take it, Design Hub? You took it. Finally, after long day, we saw one good candle over here. One, right? Oh, that's all broken candle, guys. Mhm. 5 minutes, a little bit better, right? Scalping, yes, sir. All right. Sometimes I use Bookmap Live on YouTube to see where liquidity is populating. This is my secret for you. Oh, Bookmap. I can't do anything over here. I'm not entering, not exiting, right? My stop loss at top for the shots. If it hits, I'm out from this trade, okay, after booking one profit in this level. And if it hits, I'm out, and I shall wait for the next move. This is the retest zone, okay, whereby Bitcoin have broken out from this level, all right, came down, and this is the retest zone that we have for the longs, okay. Getting out of this one only, it will confirm one retest on upper side for the bigger time frame, that is 5 minutes, right? For 1 minute, that's already good. taking a small move over here, scalping it, fulfilled your target 0.13. Got stuck again. Market is usually in the boring in the weekends, okay, guys, but we shouldn't expect very good moves in the weekends as well. All right, because of the volumes, people don't like trading in the weekends. This is this is the thing, okay. You should be smart enough if you are trading in the weekends. The setup that works in your weekdays, it won't be able to give you profits during the weekends, especially. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. HTF BTC shorting, look nice, rejection. I'm not shorting, not doing anything. I'm just holding now. Let it flow. Okay. HTF. So scalpers might like to take more trades, right? But though I scalp it, I take it very few, only 2 to 3 in a day, not much. If 2 to 3 gives me profit, I'm happy. Around 0.5 to 1 percentage moves, around 500 to 600 pips per trade. It's okay for me. Cool, be cool. Okay, don't chase every market. Nice. Liquidation on the charts. So now the possibilities, two ways. There is two ways. One is liquidation for this bigger level, inverted head and shoulder pattern, or just respect this head and shoulder pattern. All right. While respecting this head and shoulder pattern, those who have shorts will be bashed off. All right, and it might move on the upper side. Okay, so maybe two ways, right? So moving up, bashing off this one, and respecting that inverted head and shoulder pattern you have, right? That can be one way, and one way, just get the liquidation for this levels. Okay, so two things we can consider in these levels. Either get rejection or pass through and go all the way upper side. Okay, or just keep a swap it all the way towards down. This can happen. Let's see. We'll be observing it over here. Okay. Cheers. Trade, bro. Trade safe. I got to leave. Bye bye. Okay, brother. Agi. Have a good time. Have a good time, brother. Confident. Good energizer and confident. Mm. It's not moving, guys. Just a second, I'll be back. Okay, guys. I need to get water. My water is empty. Need to drink more water. Bat, bat. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right. So you can catch me from Monday to Friday doing all the live streaming sessions, right? To do analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and gold, of course, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and gold. This ETH, it's BTH, BTC. Patient, guys. Market is boring, so need to have patience. All right. Otherwise, no use. Okay, no use trading. Trading gets no use. You don't get patience. Need to have patience. Welcome, guys. Welcome those who are watching me for the first time. Russia pivot. All right. Hi, brother. Hi. Good to see you. Welcome. Welcome. All right. Ethereum stuck over here. So Ethereum, we can see the price is all getting like this, guys. Similar with the BTC also, if you happen to check in a bigger time frame, it is like price are getting shrink in one thing, one candles, one triangle, shrinking it. Okay. Uh, happy. Hmm? Just show me. And 1 hour time frame, it's all sideways move right now. It's still inside the sideways move. All right, little bit try to get out of this one. All right, and it's all in sideways move. All right, bigger time frame. Those who are following the bigger time frame. This is on 15 minutes. 15 minutes, a little bit better. You get out of the sideways box in this trend right now. You're watching the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, inside this trend. Last Saturday, last Saturday was break towards the downside, right? So let's see this Saturday, upper side break, a downside break. Wait, need to have patience, need to get back a little bit volume, then we shall. But get ready, guys, get ready. Okay, but when you get the volumes, it will be perfect one. Keep inside the image, all right, image. So from Monday to Friday, I come to the live stream that on date like towards the zone only, all right, towards this time zone, those who wanted to know the time zone. Saturday and Sunday, if you don't trade, well and good. If you trade, you need to have a good risk management, all right, good risk management and perfect setup only you trade it, all right. Pushing up a little bit, pushing up. Russia paravot, what is it? Russia. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, okay, guys. 80,000, yes, that can be possible. That is possible. 80,000 possible, but few things need to be considered before we move on. All right, you need a good volume, okay, for that one. All right, firstly, you need a good volume. So you should know from where you are planning. If you have already brought it, well and good, right? But this is not a financial advice, guys, though. All right, it's not a financial advice, but make your own research, guys. All right, so that you guys are not bashed off. All right. Now, just to watch, guys. Just to watch. If you need a good setup, you need to have patience. You need to wait a little bit more. All right. If you have not entered your setups, you need to wait a little bit more. Then I have a plan. Okay. Make your research. That is not a financial advice, though, guys. Okay. Don't think it as a financial advice. I have a plan. Then that plan might give you a good thing, right, guys? Let's get some volume back. In this zone, you cannot sell, you cannot buy anything for me, especially for me. All right. I don't buy, I don't sell in the zone. If you buy, why? If you buy, targeting upper side, you have a good resistance at this level. If it passed this level, then I'll start planning for my buy setups, or else I wait all the way towards the downside to buy another, so that next time we come up, we break above this level and go upper side easily. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 everyone. Okay, let's observe. This is the observation period. You cannot do anything, guys. If you sell over here in the zone, you have one resistance, but it have already broken out on upper side. So this point becomes so critical for the buyer and seller, whereby most of the SLs will be removed in the zone. Okay, you weigh the risks of your trade, then only you plan it according to if it is good for you. All right, if it's good for you. Setup is not everything, guys. You need to have risk management, disciplines, all those things. Fund management, everything should be combined. Then after that, also only if you get perfect, if you have perfect everything, then you will be able to be profitable. Okay, you take so long to take any time, one hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours to get set up. After get set up, you have a patience. Okay, you trust your process, your setups, everything. Patience, guys, patience, 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 patience required. Patience required. Let it flow, guys, let it flow. Getting above this line, the bulls will take over. Okay, you just know that getting above this green block and getting above this my line, bulls will take over. All right, bulls will take over means price will be thrown up. Okay, as long as you are below this one, it will be still bearish. Okay, you get it with the red line, maybe red line, right? Oh, I mean, yeah, red line. So maybe this line can differentiate between the bears and the bulls. Patience, just wait, let it flow, move up and down, let it create noise. Guys, you need to have trust your setup. All right, trust your setup. Oh, oh. Let me mark over here, right, guys, for you all. Phew. No moves, guys. It's so boring. In fact, right? Usually Saturday and Sunday. That's why I don't like to trade on Saturday and Sunday. The moves becomes too slow. Moves are too slow. Moves becomes too slow in the weekends. Sunday is little bit better than Saturday. Especially Sunday is better than Saturdays. Saturdays, Sunday is better than Saturdays. Bulls or the bears will be thrown out soon. Soon. Get ready, guys. Get ready. No good volume yet. Aggressive. Get ready. Get ready. Nothing financial advice, guys. All right. So manage your risks. Not a financial advice. Glimpse of today's final pitching level 3. Faster moves we requires. Faster move, faster move, faster move. X Mingam. Ethereum, what's happening with Ethereum? Ethereum. About to burst. The price is about to burst on Ethereum as well. Guys, one side it will burst and it's going to be very, very quick and it's going to, we are reaching to the peak zone. Going to burst it. It's so boring. Saturday is too boring, guys, right? No moves, no sexy moves. That's lazy, ugly moves. Lazy, ugly moves. Lazy, ugly moves, ugly moves. Still over here, guys. Still over here. Nothing much changed. Trying to push a little bit upper side. Good. Volume is getting better, right, guys? Now a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see what happens over here. Okay, nothing much to worry. So my two positions, one long position will get above this red block. One position will get over here. Two activation, two position for me on long side. Okay. Otherwise, I'll be holding on the shorts only for now. Okay, with my stop loss in the zone. What's happening with the structures? Quick liquidation should be there. What do you think, guys? Up or down? Up or down? Confused? Confused yet? Hey, sexy lady. Hey, sexy lady. Sexy lady on the floor. Nice, 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 nice. Keep watching. Hey, designer hub up. Okay, designer hub is thinking for up. Rest? No, nothing over there. Let's see. Okay. If it gets up, we'll catch from here. I'll catch from here, and my plan will be over here. Stop loss below this zone. Okay. And boom, 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 boom. An upper side. If it gets an upper zone, one plan from here, so most probably in this zone. If it drops down, if it comes down, so aggressively looking for the long position right now. Two positions from here, boom, 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 upper side. Two levels right now for me. Mm-hmm. 83, 84 targets. Presence. Yeah. Firstly, if it goes from this level, if it directly moves up from this level, one gap will be left on the downside, whereby Bitcoin needs to press it, right? If it directly goes up on the upper side from this level, break out on from this my line of this line, yellow line, okay? My target first TP will be this one and second TP will be this one, all right? 78,851. But if it goes down and moves up, okay, then my target will be this levels 79,000, and after up I don't know how much it will move. Okay, so this is the highest that we have right now, but most probably I'll be trying to catch around $80,286. So meanwhile, the more Bitcoin plays in the zone, you can see this is a bullish flag, right? Bullish flag you can see over here. All right, so this is the bullish flag that you have. All right, so one can be break up till this level and dumps, because this need to be filled once more till this level and go up. One position can be this one, right? So this is a bullish flag for you all, right, on 5 minutes time frame if you see it properly. The more it plays in the zone, the higher the target it will be. Why? The resistance that extends from the tent will grow up, 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 right? The more it plays, if it plays till the zone, the target for me, it will be towards 81,000, 82,000, something like that. All right. And let's see how the bullish flags plays off with us, right? So this is what I mean for over here. If there isn't breakout on upper side, we are breaking out from this bullish flag, right? And first 1 week will be given, and drop it, then we plan it for the long again. Okay, so two levels of buys for me, all right, in the zone. So maybe this upper move, if it goes up today directly and creates one, gets rejection from here, so maybe this move can be seen on tomorrow's Sunday sessions, right? This move from here to all the way up upper side. Okay, but if it happens to come directly down, then one thing we can target it high. Okay, target, because this is filling up the gap that we have, structural gap on the downside. Okay, let's see anyways. All right guys, nothing much to worry, just observe the market, let it flow. And this will be my positions. All right. This is just my analysis. All right guys, just make your own research. All right, before you move in, this is not a financial advice at all. All right. Okay, sabat sabat sabotage. All right, the name is sabotage. Nothing financial advice, guys. All right, make your own research before you move in. So for shorts, those who are in shorts, until and unless you are in below this red block, you have nothing much to worry. All right. Once this block and this level and this yellow line is cleared off, you have one retest zone. There's two resistance zone for you now for the retest, and three resistance on that upper side. If it breaks up, then it will be risky for the shorts. All right, then bulls will get in because lots of resistance happen. First thing, this green block is cleared. The resistance for this one, the retest for this one is passed, right? If it moves up, right? And the retest on a breakdown on the short side, okay? So it was a breakdown on the short side, right? And the bigger retest is being happening over here. This is like oblique, like not respected, okay? And you are breaking above the resistance zone, which means three things you are clearing out if the bulls get out. So if the price happens to get out of this levels, so this is the area whereby the price, people are waiting for the price to enter, so it will just throw very quickly on upper side. It will a very good move on upper side. Okay, if it get clear skies, okay, according to me. All right, this is what I feel. If it happens to get rejection from this level, it will be still in a bearish only till this red levels. Over here also you have one resistance, this yellow resistance, and this block for the retest. It needs to be cleared off. All right, let's see what it does. Right guys, we're just waiting. Liquidation one, two, three, four, five, six. Upper side one. Are you profitable? Snipets. Yes, I'm profitable right now, but I'm going to break even now. My SL over here. My SL over here. I'm going to break even. Okay. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right. Okay. Those who are watching me for the first time, so that you get the live streaming from Monday to Friday, you check it. All right. So Saturday and Sunday, usually it gets messed off. Okay, guys, messed off or loss of time. Okay. There will be fake moves, there will be low volume, and you won't be able to get a good profits. Okay. On the Saturday and Sunday, usually people don't trade as well. Most of the traders. All right. Most of the traders, they don't trade during the weekends because of those kind of moves. You see, there is all boring moves, right? Small move, less profits. Usually, it will be less profit. Towards the if it gets volume better, maybe towards the New York sessions, maybe you might like to see quick move on upper side as a downside, right? Then it will be a perfect one. Okay. He can't speak for yearly. He is can't speak for yearly. Week to week, he is 6 months before BTC moved well on Saturday and Sunday. This happened after crash. Nail Ahmed. Because the volumes, it depends on the volumes, level of interest, right? So people are not interested in the when the market is too bearish right now. Though in a small time frame, it is pushing up. Okay, if you try to go for the weekly and more than a month, then it's like market's totally on the bearish. So big people's, those who are investing high, they're not interested. Only the retailers are interested in those kind of market because they should keep running it. The families, the living things, everything should keep running it, right? So less people got interest now. The people lost their interest in the trading Bitcoin currently, right? Now if it gets one spike on upper side, people will be back again. Then you'll see a good volume in the Saturdays and Sunday sessions as well. Oh, do you have any forex teaching course? Forex, crypto, stocks, all the setups are same. The strategies are similar only. It's just about the price, movement, volumes, difference only. Okay. Naila Ahmed, you can text me over there if you're interested. Okay. WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Patricio. Patricio. Hi, bro. Hi. Welcome, bro. Welcome. And one thing, guys, All the strategies won't work in different situations. Like a single strategy that doesn't work on the different situations. Sometimes it won't work on sideways move. Sometimes it works well in a bull market. Sometimes it doesn't work on the bear market. So accordingly, it will move. Okay. The same setup you go and do on a bull run, it will work. Right. The same setup you go back on a sideways move, it won't work. Something like that. All right. It's not that one setup will work for all the markets. It keeps changing the behavior of the moves. The market moves. All right. Market keeps changing it. Do you do it with gold? Yes, but the market is right now gold. Gold is close today. Right. There's no move. I do it. From Monday to Friday sessions, I do it in gold as well. Okay. Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, if you come in this session, you'll find me, okay? On gold. Market is closed right now. So we don't want to do anything over there. Yep, just to know. Yeah, I do it. I do it. I do it, brother. If you come on the weekdays, you'll see it. Okay. Monday to Friday, the volumes are good. Plus, that is better also for the traders. Usually on Saturday, Sunday, you usually don't get much moves, right? But towards the end, towards the evening, you might get good volume and get some few moves better, right? Single moves, one or two moves in a weekend, so in a single day. Okay. It's better. It's similar like having a no trading session at all and during the Saturdays and Sunday session. In fact, it gives few moves up and down. Yes, darling. Good morning. Upo over me. I'm waiting for one move, one sexy move. Hmm? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. Kala nga yani git homme te gara rachituga nashish. Homme sen mishigi. Pors kar homme. Hey, Rachel. Hi, Jonas Flores. Hi, brother. Welcome. Where are you from, bro? Where are you from? Welcome to the Crypto Analysis channel by Dragonbo30. All right. Keep subscribing it so that you won't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, guys. Keep subscribing it. We can't do anything over here. Just watch and see what's happening around, right? Just just see what's happening around. Don't be rigid on one side only, okay, guys. Some people they just think about they enter the chart and just go for the shorter views only. They wanted the price to come for the shorts only. Okay, if the market's momentum, if the market changes its structures towards the long, then you will have to change it, right? Something like over here, if the price happens to break above this level, then you need to close your shorts and open your longs, right? All right. For the longs also, if the price is getting rejected and breaking all the below, still you are saying thinking that market needs to go up. That's expectation, not trading. All right, not your analysis. Okay. So just be flexible. What I mean to say is flexible. Whichever side the market gives the direction, just be flexible. All right. Don't expect the things to happen. Follow the market moves. Hi, brothers. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, to get a live setup on Bitcoin, gold, Ethereum from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, guys. Just watch. Just watch what to do. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch. Yeah. So we can't do anything over here. Just watch and just l- wait for the price if it gives any diversions. All right. If it gives diversion, then need to check it out. Mhm. Nice rejection from here. Nice drop. Nice rejection for now. Let it keep over here. All right. Hmm. Ravin, Ravin, Ravidami. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. Gold view next week. गोल्ड में क्या होगा रवि? Let's check it out. Meanwhile, right, when we are bored, let's check it on bigger time frame first. So gold next week, I'm expecting price to go and retest this level once more. This level, okay? This level to be retested once more. All right, but the whole week there will be almost 5 days, right? 5 days, it may not directly go up, all right? It will play around firstly. It will play around in the zone, all right? So maybe if it if the gold happens to lose this support, the average support price, it may like to come down, something like this, right? Play around, right? And breaking above this green block, it might like to give another move on upper side, maybe till this block, right? So this is the third block whereby usually the price get trapped, but before that one, there will be a just a breakout, and this breakout will fail it and it will drop again once more. This is what I feel in gold. All right. Okay. So either a price can directly go up also, or like it will play around, right? This is one level whereby you can find one opportunities. All right. Okay. So if I was there, I would wait for the price to come down if you are long holders, right? And hold it till this levels, right? That is going to be a beautiful profit for me. So almost big profit on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so whole week, 4 to 5 days, 5 days, right? As soon as the market drops, if the price happens to come to this level, this will be a good push, good pullback to push the market upper side. Okay, so this is what I feel. If the market happens to directly go up, it will push once more towards the downside, then only it will move up. This is one view. Okay, if you're planning for the long term. If you're scalping, then scalping sessions, it may not be helpful if I go with a small time frame. Okay. So 15 minutes time frame, let's check it out. All right. You might like to expect some small pullback in this level and might give target of this one. After the breakout, if you don't find the structure over opening here, like not breaking it out, you cannot. Okay, but it needs to break out. If it happens to break out above this level, you can plan one long setup over here and go till this level. This can be one view. All right, if you're planning for the short setups, right? Quick setups. Okay, so you wait for the price to move over, break out, then move up, right? That can be one view. The gold. Okay. Hmm. Okay, guys. Ravi, you got it. That can be one view. All right. So price getting Bitcoin is getting shrink right now, squeezing a lot at this levels right now. Okay, all squeeze. This was all sideways move, guys. We are still inside the sideways move, so you don't get the volume right now. Okay, inside this box, you are still inside the sideways move, bigger box, right? Still getting inside the sideways move in the 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. No, that is on 15 minutes, but for 5 minutes, this is what you see, right? Hope that was helpful, Ravi. All right. Welcome. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Okay, let's see. Giving new resistance in this level, whereby Bitcoin needs to follow this one now. Spider wave strategy. Not moving. Bitcoin's not moving, guys. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Have patience. You can't do open new position or short position from this level. If I was there, all right, I won't do that thing. I either wait for the price to move up or price to move on downside. All right. Meanwhile, holding one position, all right, in this from this level with stop loss in the zone because this is a break even whereby the price will turn bearish towards the bullish side. Okay, above this level. Support and seeking modest financial contribution to fund purchase Zoom. My plans are simple. If it goes down, I will hold it all the way down, right? So if it goes up, my break even will be cut off and I open my long position. Okay, that is my plan, guys. My plans are simple right now. All right. So if it continuously moves down, well and good, I'll be in good profits, right? Even if it moves up, I have booked one profit over here. I'll just plan one long setup from here, okay? Then move on, right? Otherwise, if it keeps continuously move down, I'll just trace long from down. Simple, right? The more complicated you make, the more complicated it will be. Just take it in a simple way. All right. So if it moves up, my break even will be closed, right? I close the straight shots and I open long and move on upper side. And if my SL is gone, I close for the day. That's all. Right? Simple. Take it in the simple way. You try to add all the things over there, all strategy, then you are making it more confusion. All right. Just keep it simple. Just, hey, I'm from Bhutan, Ravi. Ravi, I'm from Bhutan. Okay. I'm from Bhutan, Ravi. You try to add all those things, indicators, your strategies, everything over there. You try to confuse it. All right. Just go it simple. All right. So why opening long? If it breaks above this one, then this will turn out to be this this retest is getting passed, then one thing, right? And it is breaking above this resistance. That's all. This bigger resistance that we have, that yellow line, right? It's breaking above that one. So simple, just plan for a long and just go boom, 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 right? Okay. If it doesn't pass by that one, we have already opened a long short position from here. Just hold on that one and just move down, 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 down. And long position, we will activate from down and trap it all. Simple. Okay. No confusions, nothing over there. Right. But it's not that simple as as I'm speaking, right? I understand, guys. Okay, guys. I totally understand. That's not very simple, but it's up to you how hard you'll make it. You try adding all those things, then it will get confusion. Though these are just messy things, it's just one strategy only, all right? One strategy combined with the breakout, the trend line breakout. Let's say trend line breakout, trend line plus breakouts. All right. For longs, most probably, I will be suggesting people to get above this level, then can plan long. Otherwise, if you are taking small profits, well and good. But if you are holding, if the price again gets a rejection from this level, you will be dumped in a so low, right? So getting out of this green block, and especially about this red one, all right, might like to give a good pump because the bulls, others will also enter with you. Over here, you are the only one who is entering, so it's not giving you much move. Plan, try to enter with others, okay, those who are trading with the big funds, right? Psychology, all right. Jana, it's easy to get confused if your strategy is messy. Yeah, it's easy to get confused, correct. That's the thing. My eyes, I'm using glass, right? Trading is turning me blind. Come on. Designer Hub, trading is turning me blind. What to do? Da. Too much screen time. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll take it off. I'll take it off. Enjoy with families, right? Trading, turning dragons into blind now. I just had a checkup with the doctor today. It's my eyesight have turned towards negative 2.5. Come on, guys. It's not moving at all. Come on. I just want to have one move. Either that is on pump or down so that I can activate one position. It's not giving it. Which trading sessions have don't you zoom mazo atebe kati zone da short sighted. Yeah, I'm not used to this glasses. Okay, guys, I think it will take time. Come on, I'll just take off, take rest. Okay, if you are in my group, I'll send you. Okay, the setup. If it gets to the zone, I'll send you. All right. If it gets towards the downside, I'll send you. All right. So those who are not in group, keep joining the group. All right, guys. Okay, keep joining the group. There is a link in the description box. You keep joining over there. Okay, guys, in the Telegram group. All right, I'll send you over there. Okay, because it's taking much time. All right, I would like to go for dinner, and like after that maybe it will give some moves. It's not giving any moves right now. Most probably what I'm expecting is getting rejection. Maybe it might like to give a small pump from here. Don't get faked out over here. All right, guys, might like to get small pump till over here and just dumps down as well. All right, so if you are planning long, try to plan a little bit long upper side. Okay, so that you won't get bashed off. All right, if you are finding the breakouts, all right, let the price break above this yellow line. All right, then only you will get a good move because the buyers will also come with you. All right, otherwise that can be fake out also. This is one point. This is one point whereby we will be checking on the buy positions. All right, rest it will be in the middle, sideways, maybe in the sound side. All those things will happen. All right, so AI replace trader and destroy trading industry. This is the very good questions. I just want to answer this one because last time we are having discussion about this thing, okay, with the AI company, okay, but the fact is even the AI will know only what the human knows. That's all right. Because AI is like AI are trained by humans, right? So they are trained by humans. Or- Right, guys. So for example, for the fake breakouts, whenever we are trapped, right, after the breakout, we know that breakout has trapped us only after we are trapped. Before getting trapped, we never knows, right? We are getting trapped or not. That is just a move. We haven't seen the rest of the candles, rest of the things in the charts, right? We know after getting the trapped only that we were trapped. So our SL is gone, right? So this is what we know, right? Will AI be able to figure it out that one? No, right? But for humans, how we are able to identify is with situations, with conditions, maybe marking Saturday and Sunday, all those things. So I don't think trading can be replaced totally by the AI, but it may make easier, right? It may make easier to analyze it so that so human can again rectify it, research it, and plan to go for that one, right? Trading setups. So this is what I feel. Okay, guys, the trap that we also human also get so much confusion, and this is a trap. This can be a trap, right? So will AI be able to identify the traps? So AI will be just giving the data for wherever there's breakout. Okay, that's a buy signal, signal, right? Those kind of things. All right. So when we are getting trapped, we also don't know, the human traders also don't know we got trapped until unless we after getting the trap, right? After getting the trap only we know, oh, we were trapped. Come on, this is SL, right? So if AI can replace that one, that will be the smarter. AI will be the smarter than humans, all right, traders. Okay, so this is what I feel. If AI couldn't do that one, then I don't know. Okay, this is my just view. Okay, guys, don't not a financial advice. Okay, guys, just don't take it as a financial advice. This is what I feel. All right, yeah, I should be able to make it out. This is a trap or not. Or if the duplication is done by the expertise, all right, expertise who can identify this before the trap, they are getting trapped. If that person, the trader, is able to identify it, then the AI duplications will be similar with that person. It depends on what data are fed with the AI, right? What data are being fed to the AI, right? So the person who is feeding the data already is perfect, superb. He can identify whether that is trap or not, and AI will also do same the duplications, right? So that's already good. But the person who is feeding the data is not giving the correct data. The AI might sometimes give a wrong signals also, wrong thing also. So I don't think AI is smart as human make the AI, right? So AI in actual it doesn't know anything. It is just duplication creations of humans, right? So this is what I feel. So if AI can think like humans, like it don't have brains, right? It's just a data that it's been stored, right? So this is what I feel, guys. Okay. World free speech. I'm also expecting that one. I don't know. I'm expecting that one, but the market is not moving at all. I don't know why. I'm expecting big liquidations, pullback. You say pullback, I say liquidations. World free speech. Hi, hello, welcome. All right. I was about to end it because of one question. I just wanted to answer it. So I don't think AI can destroy all the industries, trading industry. Okay, because like AI are not smarter as the traders, but traders are also different types of traders, right? Some are good trader, average traders. Some are unprofitable traders. Some are profitable traders, right? So they might do better than the beginners, right? For the beginners, they might do it, but for the smart people, they may not give the data they have expected it. All right. It all total depends on the data they are feeding it, right? For AI. Okay. If they are feeding the data correctly, soup up, then it might like to. Okay, that's all, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow. Okay. So right now I'm expecting a big moves. Either that's on a upper side or a downside. I'm just waiting for 2 to 3 hours. Just market is not moving a shit right now. It's not giving a shit. Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay. So if you are in my group, okay, you'll get the what I'm planning over there. All right. So nothing much to worry. Not a financial advice though. You make your own research. Try to make your research. If it's good for you, just go on. Right. But the thing only I can say it's like during the weekends, try to go with the smallest fund as possible. Don't aggressively plan your trades. Okay. Just wait for the confirmations. If you are confident, good to go. Right. So that's the thing, guys. Okay. It's not giving any shitty moves right now. Bye bye. See you all. Love you. Signing off, Dragon. See you all tomorrow.